Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to join the Brevo affiliate program. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch any browser of your choice. I'm currently using Google Chrome. Then open a new tab, which of course I have done right here. And then from here, just go ahead and type in brevo.com/affiliate. And punch the enter button, and that's going to take you right into the website for Brevo. Okay, so this is wrong, so let's just go ahead and go over that again. So just go ahead and type in Brevo affiliate program, and it's going to take you right. So here, this is the website. Become a Brevo affiliate partner. So just click on that, and now it says join the affiliate program. So introduce Brevo to your visitors and earn fees commissions when they become users. Okay, so you have a lot of things. If you want to know more about the program, here you have a lot of things to know about the program. And now let's head over to signing up. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on reject all. At the top right corner here, you're going to see this my account dashboard. So just go ahead and click on that. And that takes you right into the Brevo site. But then just go ahead and go back. So okay, so right here in this homepage where it says join the affiliate program, you have a mini form here that you need to fill out. So here, enter your first name, and let's say this, and the company site. You need to have a company site as well. So don't really have a company site, but then let me just do this, amybooks.com, because I'm just pretty much a bookie. The work email should be a domain that you own, and email service provider like Gmail. Okay, that's awesome. So my country is definitely going to be Nigeria. So just looking at how to put that in. So go ahead and click on next. Okay, so an email service provider like Gmail, Hotmail, etc. won't work. So it has to be, the work email should be a domain that you own. Okay, so I pretty much do not have any domain. So if you have a domain that you own, go ahead and fill that in. And after putting that in, go ahead and click on next. So once you click on next, it's just going to take you through step-by-step processes that you need before you can join the affiliate program. They're just going to ask you a couple of questions, all right, provide a couple of details that are actually self-explanatory. So if you do have the details, just go ahead and fill out all the blank spaces until you get to the affiliate program website itself, where you can now start having fun doing what you're supposed to do in the affiliate program. So this is pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.